Okay, so that's the logical view again. Let's dive into reality. The web browser isn't able to connect the device. I think I don't have to explain the reasons. So each the device and the browser, which is acting like an IDE in that case, are connecting to a server in the internet as a cloud server, virtual server, whatever. The special thing for the device is it connects to the server, telling the server, I have the hardware ID, such and such. Whereas the server said, okay, I have a code assigned to you. Well, currently it's pretty simple. The file name is the hardware ID. It delivers the code via HTTP GET to the device. The device stores it on the SD card or internal flash and executes it. If that connection is broken, the device on startup figures out there's no connection, just executes the cached code. The web browser on the other side gets connection to a web page in here. The web page itself, coded, of course, with JavaScript, jQuery, and especially Code Mirror for the code editing. It gets a list of all the files, aka all devices ever connected to the server, and is able to change each of those files, or even add some template, test, or example code as well to the list. As soon as the code is downloaded to the device is getting active. And it may not deal with the internet afterwards, but I think it would be pretty common, because the main goal was that you get those real world or non-internet devices connected to the internet. So in parallel, you will probably build a log server somewhere, a command server, or whatever you can think of, which your code connects to. But it's totally off that topic. It could even be on a totally different server. It doesn't matter. Unfortunately, there's currently a bug in the, well, I know it's very early alpha or beta stage, so it's not really a bug. Thanks for those guys which really built the code, which is a really great stuff. Anyhow, currently there is a bug. I can't use the TCP/IP stack to just make a HTTP GET. Because of that, I've written a Lua server code. Okay, pretty simple again. Which instead of a Sinatra server, web server, acts like a kind of a file server with a special protocol emulating HTTP GET, of course. So I'm now able to get the code. This is just a hack, nothing else. And as soon as the code is fixed, I definitely will go back to that, because that server is already there. And you have to check that server. That's just a couple line of codes. Thanks to Sinatra, which is really a great thing.